Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Emergency SOS and share medical ID on Apple Watch SE 3. To use Emergency SOS on your Apple Watch, you have to press and hold the side button until you see these options on the screen. And now to make an emergency call, you have to move this circle to the other side of this bar and then release it. And this way you will make an emergency call. Now, in order to share your medical ID, you have to use the iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch. So grab your iPhone, open the app library and search for the health app on it and open it. Once you find it, now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and go to the medical ID. Now here you have to enter your information. In order to change your information, you have to tap edit next to each option on the list and then provide the correct values into the fields you see in front of you. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the emergency contacts, which is a very important part. So basically these contacts are the people who will receive your medical ID whenever you are in an emergency situation and made an emergency call. If you want to add emergency contacts, tap edit, then tap plus add emergency contacts, and then select the contact from your list and it will be added to your emergency contact. You can also select the relationship with this person, so like this, and then tap the OK icon in the top right corner of the screen. And also check at the very top of this menu that you have this toggle switched to the right, so make sure that show when locked feature is colored green. And if you have an option share during emergency call, then also enable it. This feature is only available for certain regions. If I'm not mistaken, the US and Canada can use this feature in order to share your medical ID with the emergency services whenever you are in an emergency. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.